If you've been writing off the quality of the equipment for the only reason you can't perform, well, whatever works for you. Whether you're starting your shop or you're expanding its capacity, sometimes you've got to make some tough decisions when you're balancing the budget between the best machine for the job to the one that makes sense, whether you're loaning money or investing cash to invest in at this point in time. It's not to say you can't have that perfect machine down the road, because I'm sure you will. You're looking at things like common tooling and your programming practices and your standard operating procedures and your 0-point systems, right? So let's say you've got all that covered and you're looking at the coffers and they're looking a little low. One of the options you may not know about that is available to you is pre-owned machinery. And I'm not talking just going through some auction site either, though there can be deals to be had there. Today, I'm actually talking about pre-owned inventory from your local Thomas Skinner. As you can see, I've got the flyer loaded here, and the pricing actually looks pretty attractive. Everything's in US dollars, whether you're buying in Canada or in the United States. It's just the currency of machine tools in North America. If you're outside the North American market, let me know, what currency do you buy your machines in? Curious to see if the world just trades in US dollars. No idea. Some of the models here, they have a great selection, whether it's an 07 Haas VF2 or a 2015 Haas TM3P. And these are all fantastic options that you can get for a little bit less and still have them inspected to know that they're going to be ready to run and make you money. I'll throw a link to this post in the comments below. Feel free to share it around, and if you didn't know, now you do. Used machinery is a great way to start making chips fast and at a lower dollar amount. If you're a new shop, that's going to let you build up your reputation, because we all know it's the quality of the person using the tools, not the tools themselves, that determine the end result. If you've been writing off the quality of the equipment for the only reason you can't perform, well, whatever works for you. For those of you who are seriously committed to having your shops grow and starting out on your own, these options that I showed you here are a great way to enter the industry and to start building those relationships with customers that are going to know, like, and trust you. Until next time, keep those spindles turning and earning.